Hey there, it's Megan with WTI, and I have always been really big into skincare, but when it comes to my hair care, I have kind of neglected it. So lately, I have started using this Moroccanoil treatment in the light formula for fine hair. I am really happy that they came out with this special formula since I do have fine hair, and in the past when I've used the regular Moroccanoil treatment, I did find it a little bit too heavy. I usually use it on damp hair, and I just take a little bit in my hand. One pump is usually enough for me, and I just kind of smooth it through my ends and then I blow dry. My hair has incredible smoothness, shine, and softness from using this treatment. After using this treatment, I can run the fine tooth comb through my hair no problem. If I forget to use it on my damp hair, or if I have some flyaways that I want to tame down, I can also use it on my dry hair. Like all of the Moroccanoil line, I absolutely love the smell of this stuff. It is not overpowering. It's that kind of scent that I don't get tired of smelling. It's kind of hard to explain exactly what that scent is, but if you have ever tried any Moroccanoil products, you know what I'm talking about. My hair just totally drinks this stuff up. It is really smoothing on my hair. I think it's going to prevent a lot of damage for me in the future. I'm so glad I started using it. And that's my point of view.